Boom, 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 boom. Hello everyone, this is called Gay, and I hope that you enjoy watching the video just now, especially the roller coaster riding scene. Well, that's me and my baby Joe Young. He's about 11 months right now and already started to stand up and making that few important steps. I was so happy looking at him. So I decided to build a wagon and modified it into a baby walker friendly type. Well, at first when Joe Young saw the wood wagon, he was a little bit scared, he freaking out a little. And eventually I found out that he truly enjoyed riding the wagon. Well, I'm so happy seeing that, even though that this is not the perfect wagon, or also not the prettiest wagon in this world, but I'm really proud to say that I built it myself. So for those who wants to know how I built this wagon, stay tuned to my upcoming video. I'll see you. Bye-bye.